Good afternoon, guys. I'm here to do another video. I'm going to update it. What's in my bag? It is a black tote bag, nylon with, I believe the straps might be 16 inches, 18 inches. The interior is also black. That's the only thing I don't like about it, is the interior is black because I can't find anything. And I've got this from Giant Tiger a few years ago, and the reason why I like it because I can throw it in the back of the car and it can just sit on the floor and you can't even tell that there's a purse inside. So I'm gonna flip you around and let's go through it. I'm going to just pull out stuff, okay? This is my camera case. I'm using the camera right now. This is my home purse. This is what I take around the house with me. If I'm watching a movie, it goes with me. It also goes in my little, I guess my self-care, my hobby bag. If you're curious to see what's in there, just leave a comment and I'll do a video on that. But this is what I take from the bedroom, the bed, and to the living room with me. And there's a lot of stuff in here. I'll make some room. So, I'm just going to go really fast. Halls, Kleenex, notebook, wipe, icebreakers, another icebreaker, measuring tape, lemon citrus oil. That's for my anxiety. Lip balm from the Dollarama. Flashlight. My toothpickies. Some little affirmations. Another this is peppermint essential oil. That's what I use when I get headaches. And you've seen this before many times if you watch these videos. This is just a comb in the mirror. Dental floss, that shouldn't be in here. This is Tiger Balm. I use this for like muscle aches and stuff. Also, I use it for like headaches and stuff. Another lip balm. This is the last of my other hand cream there. I'm trying to use up. Cuticle cutters. Peppermint tea. Blank card. Garbage. Oh. My little thing, my little toy that I like to play with once in a while. Elastic. Okay, we'll get it in here. Lavender essential oil, again for anxiety. You need something calm. These are my Listerine strips. I use these for anxiety as well. Oh, Halls. This is my sharps. Hold on here. Let's take these out. And these are elastics with candy wrapper, so that goes back in there. And this is my sharps, my USB thingy, nail clippers, pin, whatever they're called, safety pin, tweezers, a steel nail filer, a seam ripper, scissors. These are the ones that kind of fold into itself, and some more safety pins and thread and needles. So that's all in there. Okay, carrying on. My keys, mail key, my house key, this knife thingy gadget, and a cocoon scrunchie. And the way I put that on, I carry it like this. I'm going to my car and stuff. Snack. I am eating the Super Energy Trek Mix. This one used to be my emergency bag. So now I have a couple of women's products in there. My Gravel, my Tylenol and stuff. There's Visine, my Nitrogen, and this is Bear Grease. Ouch! Landed right on my toe. And my Tums. So this is all just kind of like medicine and stuff. White ones. Again, they used to be in my car, but since it's winter, they go in my purse. My electronic bag. I have two types of cords in here. One for my phone and the other one to charge this battery bank up. My pens. I have a couple of Sharpies in there. My tarot cards. The current book I'm reading. Well, one of them anyway. Never Whistle at Night. My word search. My little bag. This is just lip products in there. A couple of crystals in there because I switched up my purse a few times already, and this is the way I'm doing it right now. So there, and the last thing in here is my little red clutch. You've seen this a few times on my video already. There's my insurance vehicle, my little wallet there. There's nothing else in here. My change purse, and my RFD card holders right there. And that's it. That is what's all in my bag. And if you stayed this long, thanks for watching. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.